Hey all, today we're going to follow the directions to wire up a temperature sensor to our Arduino so we can sense temperatures. Here's the wiring diagram we will be following along with. The supplies you need are the temperature sensor, the triple colored wire, which probably has a special name, and 3 extra wires. A major issue of note is that we should orient the temperature sensor the correct way in order to get these wires right. If we do this wrong, the temperature sensor will get very, very hot and could destroy itself. If it does, don't worry. Just turn off the Arduino by unplugging the USB. Take it apart and put it together the correct way. Note on the diagram, this is the bottom view of the temperature sensor. So, when we set it up, we want to be looking at the curved part on the bottom and the flat part on the top when we look down on it. And we want the 3 wires pointing at us. We want to connect it so that the leftmost wire will end up going to 5 volts. So we'll align that with the red wire on this triple colored wire. The center wire will align with the orange part, and the rightmost wire will align with the yellow part. Again, we are looking at the bottom of the temperature sensor here, which has the 3 wires coming out of it. Then we take these 3 shorter wires and we connect the red wire with 5 volts, the center wire to pin A0, and the 3rd remaining wire to ground. Come to class with your circuit wired and ready to write the code needed to interpret voltage from this temperature sensor. Thanks.